How to remove SOS on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to remove your SOS mode, then first things first, simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and tap on the airplane mode option to enable airplane mode and wait for a few seconds and then tap on the airplane mode icon again to reset it. Now, in Control Center again, once you have enabled airplane mode, you can try to turn off and then turn on the cellular data again, as this can also reset SOS mode. Next, if you are still not being able to remove the SOS mode, then go ahead and simply try to restart your iPhone by turning it off and then turning it on again, as this often fixes many common problems. See if it helps, and if not, then check if your cell phone provider has issues. So you can open a site like Down Detector and see if there's a reason why your cellular network is not responding correctly. If the network is down, then there's nothing that you can do to fix it on your end, and simply wait for the carrier server to fix the issue. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can try to contact Apple support, as if your phone won't come out of SOS mode, there may be a problem with the device and you might need to contact Apple support for further assistance. So these were a few ways on how you can remove SOS on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.